Okay, first run down, warm up on Switchblade. Woo! Whew. Okay, that was pretty good. A little slippery, not too bad. Nice day. Number 2 down Switchblade. Still trying to warm up. It's pretty muddy. Up here all by myself. See how this goes. Hit my face on the camera. Whew. Okay, that's all okay. Sort of hit my face. Whew. Second time down. Okay, I'm gonna do a slow run, easy going run down Rollercoaster. Just kind of just check it out, see what's going on. Okay, here we go. Probably really slippery. Oh, mud, 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 woo! Whoa, I don't know about this. That'd be a bad idea. Slip sliding away, slip sliding away, yeah. I'm slipping and sliding and having some fun. Slipping and sliding. I should have doubled that. This way. A little bit of mud. Lots of mud. Lots of mud. Over here. Go real slow. Oh. Lots of mud. Okay, halfway. Ooh, lots of mud. See how this goes. Whoa, they got rid of the rut. The roots. Made it easy. There was a big rut there last week. Hopefully they can work on it. This is pretty dark. I don't know if it shows up in the camera. It's pretty dark right here. It's very muddy and slippery. I think I got some good tires on. I got my Swabby shredders. Running about 22 PSI. I've got the Victoria inserts in here. Whoa! Be careful. I'm on a pivot shuttle. LT. Just kind of taking it easy, not trying to go very fast. I think I could double that sometimes. Not today, that's too muddy. Oh! Oh! Slippery! Front end just washed out. Okay, we'll be fine. Front end just went, I think. Here there, I just get tired and fell off. Okay, here we go. Whew. Slippery. Pretty muddy. Always get slippery up here. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't fall down. Okay, let's see how this goes. Muddy! Woo! Whoa, don't fall off of the hill! Back in, slid out. Okay, there we go. Whew. Well, I made it to the bottom. Now I gotta ride back up. Okay. Here we are. Ah! Whew! Lots of fun. Highway 30. Okay. Okay. Right back up. Here we go.